Widely read article by Robert Kagan in the Washington Post a couple of days ago about how we are already in a constitutional crisis because basically we now have a very substantial portion of the population who will not acknowledge that the other side can win an election legitimately. Trump said it at the rally that even in 2022, 2024, we are not going to believe that a Democrat can legitimately win an election. So now we have these audits going on around, these purported audits going on. The one in Arizona just happened. We've got one in Texas. There may be one in Pennsylvania, Wisconsin, Michigan. And the idea that your opponents are illegitimate and incapable of winning an election is something new in American politics, and it's scary and it's dangerous. I don't like to think of myself as a big alarmist, but I think we're in a dangerous place now.
Paging Attorney General Merrick Garland, the former president is now on record admitting his attempt to cheat the voters in Georgia. So what are we missing here, folks? Trump bragged about calling people and trying to overturn an election. The evidence is there. He is admitting to his crimes openly. Now, I'm no fan of Zooming Toobin. No clue how this guy is still working at CNN. And I believe in second chances, but we all know what this guy did. Could you imagine how awkward it must be to be in a staff meeting with this guy, or even worse, on Zoom? But Toobin is right here, folks. We as a nation are in a serious situation. We've got nut jobs playing soldier in the woods with automatic weapons just waiting for the signal to start the next January 6th.
Hey, gun!
Now you couple that with the deranged psychopath with a very loud microphone and an endless war chest of campaign funds, who knows what could happen? That is why it is time for us to act now. In America, if you break the law, there are consequences. And the last time I checked, trying to overturn a free and fair election is breaking the law. Did Trump just reference his election dispute with Stacey Abrams? There is a big difference there, folks. When Stacey Abrams ran, she would have won had voter restriction laws not been in place. This is why she objected. Trump objected because he lost. He basically showed us what an absolute spoiled brat that he is.
If you count the legal votes, I easily win. If you count the illegal votes, they can try to steal the election from us.
Now, Trump is going to these super spreader events where he is bringing together the dumbest among us. And he's not doing it to campaign, he's doing it to radicalize the already deranged. And we cannot allow this to happen, folks. We cannot take this lightly. What he is doing is not freedom of speech. What he is doing is spreading anarchy. This guy already attempted a coup once. And honestly, do we need to allow him to attempt a second one before we hold him accountable? I think not. Sappers clear the way, airborne all the way.